are now back recording. We're going to do the playbook last because obviously that has most possible biggest payoff. I hope we pull something really cool. Here we go, 2015 certified. Alright. Good luck to everyone. We have a hit in this pack right off the bat. LaShawn McCoy, Tom Brady, Sam Bradford. These things really reflect, so I'm sorry, let me hold it closer. I'm doing this particular break by myself. Last week I had helpers. This week, or this day, I just am by myself. A little corner nick there. 687 out of 999. We got a Super Bowl Kid Reporter card. I'm going to flip this over. And the hit is a dual card. Buck Allen, Nelson Aguilar. The Baltimore Ravens are, no one bought it, so it's vacated. And the Philadelphia Eagles is Corey Ha. Corey, this one is yours. I have no interest in it. The house is not going to roll off with you for this card. This is yours. I hope you enjoy it. And it's numbered 38 of 799. Just saw your messages, CPEG. The next break is going to be Thursday. I might do some other boxes. After this one, if anyone's interested in purchasing some random teams, we can open some stuff at random. If not, that's cool. Alright, we do have a hit in this box. Alright, Jeremy Maclin, Michael Crabtree, Brian Urlacher, number 66 of 99. We got a Barry Sanders, got a Lions hit finally. I know that first to score will be happy about that, Barry Sanders. And I will sleeve that. And the Kid Reporter reveals the redemption card. Freshman fabric of Buck Allen. And I think Buck Allen plays for the Ravens. Yes, he does. Sleeve these two cards. I'll tell you what, if Barry Sanders would have had the O-line to run behind that Emmitt Smith had, he would have destroyed that record. I think Barry's probably, of all the running backs I've seen play, and I started watching football that I remember, and probably about when I was 5, 6 years old. So I'm talking Larry Zonka, Walter Payton, Tony Dorsett, Earl Campbell, Barry Sanders, Emmitt Smith, I think Barry's the tops, hands down. He was a phenomenal running back. And, man, I think he just retired way too soon. Oh, we got one in this one. Antonio Brown, Alex Smith, Andre Johnson, numbered Julio Jones. I'm gonna flip this over. The kid reporter is hiding the card, and we got a boom. Got a dual card, numbered 97 of 799. Tevin Coleman, Justin Hardy for the Falcons. And the Falcons are owned by Haggards. So cool, you got a hit. Coleman started off really strong last year, but he went down with an injury, and that allowed Devontae Freeman to step into the void. And Devontae really took off, so maybe this year Tevin will get some more carries. All right, let's get another pack. Oh, we got another freeze. Yep, looks like we got a video freeze. Hopefully it'll come right back up. Yep, it's back up. Good deal. Well, that one was minor. Little hiccups. Now we got 9 people in the room. Thanks for coming in the room. We had some video problems earlier. It's really affected this break. Adrian Peterson. Matt Ryan. Mark Ingram. Geno Grissom. It's numbered 785 of 999. Jamal Charles. That's an insert. It's a Kansas City Chief. We'll sleeve that really quick. And we have a hit in this one. These 2015 certifieds are pretty cool. Good hits. Keenan Allen. Johnny Manziel, who now plays for the California rehab team. Eli Manning, numbered 36 of 499. And the hit in this box is, Kid Reporter reveal, boom, Devin Smith, Philip Dorsett, 414 of 799. The Jets are owned by no one, and the Colts are owned by Reckless 123. Reckless 123, the house does not wish to roll against you. So you are rewarded this card. Have it in good health. This card is numbered, as I said, 414 of 799. Last week we had a random box break of Playbook, and Joe Montana, Peyton Manning, and Tom Brady card pool, in which we had to do a roll-off. And before we did the roll-off, Dirty Bird was rolling off, and one team no one bought. Dirty Bird had the Falcons, and I had the 49ers. And I tried to get him not to do the roll-off so I wouldn't have a chance to win from him. But he was like, no, let's do it. I think he just wanted to do it. And we did it, and I won. I didn't feel great about it, but I won. And in the end, he told me, and I believe him, he said that if he had won, he was just going to give me the Montana card anyway. He knows what a big Joe Montana fan, 49er fan I am. So I thought that was a class act. What a good guy. I guess he's taking the night off tonight. Adrian Peterson, 27 of 50. We got a Brian Urlacher. I'm going to adjust this camera just a little bit. Urlacher is an insert. Let's leave these two cards really quick. Let's get the Adrian Peterson first. Got a few more packs of this certified before we hit that big bad playbook box. I think I have a really good feeling about that playbook box back there. I think it's going to have something really special in it. And my prediction is it's going to be a hit for the Raiders. That's what I think. It's going to be a hit for the Raiders. That's my prediction on that box back there. You will be a Raider hit. Here we go. Brian Hartline, Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Marshall. Speaking of a great running back whose career went too short that I was just yammering about earlier, Gale Sayers. And we got a Skills 2015 Odell Beckham insert. Sayers sleeved. Yeah, Gale Sayers only played from 65 to 71, and there's a minimum, or there was at the time, for the number of games you have to play, and the NFL waived that minimum. So he was a first ballot Hall of Famer. I think his rookie year, or maybe it was his second year, he scored 6 touchdowns in one game. He had a kickoff return, punt return, and 4 touchdowns. He and Dick Butkus were rookies in 65. So on offense, from that team, they had 4 Hall of Famers playing for that team at one time. Doug Atkins, Mike Ditka, Gale Sayers, and Butkus. Yeah, we got a hit. Jonathan Stewart, Andy Dalton, Victor Cruz, Rashad Perriman, rookie. Yep, and the big hit will be, boom, Richard Sherman, autograph and patch, numbered 8 of 49 for the Seattle Seahawks. And that is a card that will belong to Corey Ha. Ha 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 ha. He's getting some good pulls out of this box and this break. Well, Dirty's here. Yeah, I see you over there, Dirty. No, Dirty is not in here. No, I haven't seen Dirty. I misread it. I'm reading the screen from about 3 feet away. I thought it said is Dirty is here, but it says is Dirty in here. He is not. I talked to him earlier in the day, but I expected him to win the Falcons, but he didn't. Maybe he got busy. I sure miss him. We got a rookie of linebacker McKinney, 419 of 499. J.J. Watt and a kid reporter. And the last pack in the 2015 certified before we hit the playbook. I gotta tell you, I've got an appreciation of having a helper during these breaks because I've been doing this one by myself, and with all the problems of the internet tonight and doing it alone, it is made for an interesting night. Trey Mason, Vincent Jackson, Devin Hester, Tom Brady, Gold Team. That is an insert GT1. It is not numbered, but that is a pretty cool looking card. Cam Newton. That is an insert as well. So we got 2 inserts of 2 quarterbacks of distinctive, very distinctive, and different play styles. Brady, the traditional pocket passer, and Cam Newton, the throw a laptop out the window while I'm at the University of Florida. Alright, we're going to recap this box before we hit the last playbook. Or the last box, which is a box of playbook. This was a decent box. So we got an insert of Cam Newton. Got a Gold Team Brady. Richard Sherman autograph on and a patch. Numbered 9 of 49. Odell Beckham Jr. insert. Gale Sayers 174 of 999. Brian Urlacher. Adrian Peterson, 27 of 50. Got a lot of reflection going on those top loaders. Sorry about that. Peyton's little brother, Eli, 36 of 499. Got a Philip Dorsett and Devin Smith dual card, which I have given to the owner of the Colts, Reckless123, because the Jets were an unclaimed team. Jamal Charles, a dual card, number 97 of 799 of Tevin Coleman. Justin Hardy, a redemption card of Buck Allen, number 201. We're going to do something cool with that one. Brian Urlacher, Barry Sanders, 134 of 199, and Nelson Aguilar, number 38 of 799. That goes to Corey Ha 1. And this redemption card, I'm going to randomize. And give it away, give it away, give it away now. Okay. randomizer. We're going to post everybody's name on there. I'm going to take this person off. And I'm going to randomize it 5 times, and whoever I get gets this redemption card of Buck Allen. And it is a 96 pointer, so that's going to be pretty cool for somebody. Here we go. 5 times. Randomize once. First to score. Twice. C.A. John 4. 3 times. First to score. 4 times. Tara Danny. And the last time. Here we go. Machismo 223. You won the Freshman Fabric Buck Allen card. This is a redemption card. I will send it to you. You have until February 28th of 2017 to redeem it. That is my father's birthday. So redeem away. Alright. We have 1 box left. Playbook. This playbook is either feast or famine. There is no in between. You either get really good stuff or really bad stuff or mediocre stuff. I'm going to stop recording so I can have 5 separate videos for YouTube. Stop.